Welcome back. Before we jump into today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button because this video is packed with powerful WordPress tips that can transform your website starting today. Let's get started. 1. Use a custom landing page. Your website's homepage is your first impression. Instead of showing your latest posts, create a custom landing page that directs visitors exactly where you want them to go. 2. Strengthen your footer. Your footer is valuable space. Add important links, a short bio, or helpful information that improves navigation and trust. 3. Update your theme regularly. If your traffic is dropping, your outdated theme might be the reason. Refreshing your theme can improve user experience and boost engagement. 4. Start video blogging. WordPress makes video posting extremely simple. Adding video content increases retention and builds deeper audience trust. 5. Improve your permalinks. Edit your post URLs and keep only the important keywords. Clean URLs perform better on search engines. 6. Optimize your images. Always add a title and alt text to every image you upload. This helps with SEO and makes your content more accessible. 7. Enhance your sidebars. Use dynamic sidebar content to show different widgets depending on what the visitor is viewing. 8. Add page numbers to comments. If your comment section is active, adding pagination keeps everything organized and easy to navigate. 9. Hide categories from your homepage. You can hide specific categories from appearing on the main page while keeping them accessible on other parts of the site. 10. Let users log in with Facebook. Integrating Facebook sign-in makes it easier for visitors to interact, comment, and register. 11. Keep everything updated. Your WordPress core, plugins, and theme should always be up to date for security, stability, and performance. 12. Enable avatars. Avatars make conversations feel more human, which encourages visitors to participate. 13. View your site as a visitor. Log out and browse your site like a normal user. This helps you spot visual or functional issues you may not notice in admin mode. 14. Add an author bio. A short author bio at the end of each post builds trust and helps readers connect with you. 15. Tweet a random post automatically. Use plugins that send random posts to Twitter to keep your page active and bring traffic back to older posts. 16. Change the post author easily. From the screen options menu, enable the author box so you can assign posts to different authors. 17. Clean up comment spam. Use plugins that remove spammy author URLs and suspicious comment links. 18. Highlight author comments. Make your replies stand out by highlighting your comments with a simple plugin. 19. Display a random post widget. A random post widget helps new visitors discover older content that they might love. 20. Create a members area. A membership section can generate income and provide exclusive content for your audience. 21. Use breadcrumb navigation. Breadcrumbs improve SEO and help users understand where they are on your site. 22. Encourage social sharing. Use modern social sharing plugins to make it easy for readers to share your content on Facebook, Twitter, and more. 23. Personalize visitor greetings. Display a custom greeting depending on how users arrived at your site, for example, through Google or social media. 24. Redirect users after their first comment. After someone comments for the first time, redirect them to a thank you page or a page encouraging deeper engagement. 25. Schedule future posts. WordPress allows you to schedule posts ahead of time. This helps you stay consistent without daily effort. 26. Enable visitors to email your posts. Enable email sharing so visitors can easily send your articles to friends. 27. Disable HTML in comments. Prevent HTML code in comments to avoid formatting issues and security risks. 28. Improve loading speed. Use caching plugins to speed up your site. Faster websites rank better and keep visitors longer. 29. Update your image thumbnail size and quality settings to match your design and improve site speed. 30. Install Google Analytics. Track your traffic, understand your audience, and measure which pages perform best using Google Analytics. If you found these WordPress tips helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.